YouTube videos can take hours to do, but a simple trick to beating this is having a YouTube script. And in this video, I'm going to be letting you in on a step-by-step process on how to write a YouTube script. Hi, T here from Fidia, and this is the third video of our 5-part YouTube series. If you haven't seen previous videos, I'm going to leave the link up here in the card and down in the description box. Most of your favorite YouTubers sound very fluent and coherent, and it leaves you wondering how they are able to remember everything they have to say in the video. I bet they don't. I don't too. The secret is simple: having a YouTube script. After you have a video idea, you need to figure out the major parts of the video, and usually they are divided into three: the hook, the content, and the call to action. The content is usually divided into two: the intro and the body of the content. The hook is the beginning of the video. If it is a sit-down educational video like this one, that is the part where you tell the viewers what they are going to learn from your video. If it is, say, a vlog channel, that is the part where you post snippets of the most interesting part of the video so that they have a taste of what is to come. So for this particular video, this was my hook. Creating YouTube videos can take hours to do, but a simple trick to beating this is having a YouTube script. And in this video, I'm going to be letting you in on a step-by-step process on how to write a YouTube script. So from my hook, I was able to communicate what exactly you're going to learn from this video to you. Your hook should be short and captivating, basically between 5 to 10 seconds. It's basically like a pitch to let them know why they should continue watching your video as opposed to the next video that they have seen. So the next is the content of the video, and like I said, this is divided into the intro and the body. So for the intro, this is the part where you introduce yourself and tell them any other information about the video, like I did here. Hi, T here from Fidia, and this is the third video of our 5-part YouTube series. If you haven't seen previous videos, I'm going to leave the link up here in the card and down in the description box. The body of the video. This is the major content of the video, where you need to talk about everything you need to. This is the most important part of the video, and it can be in form of bullet points, numbering, or a series of storytelling. The call to action. If you're a creator on other platforms like Instagram and Facebook, you definitely know how important call to actions are. They increase your engagement because you are telling your viewers what you want them to do after watching the video. Leave a comment down below if you script your videos. Tell me in the comments who your favorite YouTubers are. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. All these are examples of call to action. The purpose of call to action is to encourage people to do even what they have planned to do but may have forgotten. With all this said, for sit-down videos, you can either choose to have your script written down word for word, or you can have them in bullet points. To be honest, you don't have to pick either, because even I do both. If you feel very confident and vast in said topic, then go ahead and use bullet points. But if you know that you are just getting started with this, then you can take out time to write your script word for word. Sometimes you can do a mix of both, where you have bullet points for certain points and then you have to write out your script word for word for other points. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also, let me know in the comments down below, are you team bullet points, or do you prefer to write out your whole script word for word? Also, don't forget to watch the first 2 parts of this video in the YouTube playlist up here. Don't forget to keep creating while we keep sorting out your payments for you over here at Fidia. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!